Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cryptosonic. So, dear fans, as you know, I always come a valuable project related to crypto token, NFT project mining, website platforms, and a lot of more. So, dear friends, today in this video, I am going to talking about a very rare, unique, and amazing cryptocurrency project that have a massive technical insight. I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, so don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start the review, I would request you if you are new on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear fans, welcome to Captain Trump Coin. So dear fans, I have placed all official link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. So dear friends, it must be kept in mind that this cryptocurrency created for entertainment purpose and is not affiliated with or endorsed by the US government or Donald J. Trump. So, dear friends, it is not my financial advice. I am not your financial advice. Do your own research before investing in this amazing platform. So, dear friends, the token sale will be live on June 1st, 2024. And, dear friends, then you will be able to buy this meme token, hold it, and later you can sort make a lot of profit as well. So here we can also check out that Captain Trump coin will be listed on Uniswap on June 1st, 2024. Here is a contract address on Ethereum chain as well. The total supply of the token is 1 trillion and the symbol is CP Trump. So the decimal number is 9 as well. So here we can also learn more information about this project, that make America great again. So make America great again, that was the promise that president like Donald Trump made throughout the president's campaign of 2016. His was a pledge to return the United States to an era of prosperity and world leadership, which he claimed he has been lost. So, as well as a promise, this slogan is a call to active to remove the tarnish and enhance the luster of our great nations and a noble people. Trump's platform calls for the vast expansions of president's powers and the exclusive branch over every part of the federal government. So, Captain Trump, isn't your average president is a larger than life character who's steered the ship of state through stormy seas and under uncharted waters. So from his bold tweets to his colorful lies, he is captivated the nations with his unique brand of leadership, for better or for worse as well. So here we can also learn more about Captain Trump coin. So welcome to the official website of Captain Trump coin, the cryptocurrency that's making waves in the digital world. So at the forefront of the meme economy, Captain Trump merged the fascinations of meme with the innovative blockchain technology. So now you join right now the exciting journey where digital currencies meet humor and creativity. So explore the platform to discover the unique features, community engagement, and the latest updates surrounding the Captain Trump universe. Whether you are a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a curious newcomer, so there are something for everyone here. Get ready to set sail into the world of meme inspired finance with Captain Trump as well. So here we can also learn more roadmap about this project, as the use of cryptocurrencies has become more widespread. So develop a community on tech as a support Donald Trump in the upcoming US election. So in phase 1, May 2024, initial coin distributions and marketing in August 2024, centralized listing in November 2024, celebrate Trump's victory, and Feb 2024, explore partnership for token adaptations to different organizations. So roadmap is so amazing. Here we can, if you want to be get in touch, you can send your email on this email as well. You can follow them on their social media to get latest news and updates as well. So here is the official accounts of Twitter of Trump. You must be follow them to get latest news and updates as well. I also recommended to all of you must be join its Telegram to get latest news and updates as well. So therefore, this project have a massive potential inside, and it can really help to make a lot of profit in future. So dear fans, don't miss this golden chance once it will be live on June 1st, 2024. You must be participating in pre-sale and buy this token right now. So I hope so you like this video and share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.